Okay, the new office chair came, was addressed to Mark Forrest at the wrong address. But I was tracked down and found it. Now, the trick is to put it together.
Do you know that?
I did get C1 into C2, right? But they don't tell you which one is C1. You just gotta look at the picture. Okay, step 2. Get the dog out of the way and put the wheels in the wheel holes. Never mind. It didn't go at all. Okay, that one finally went in, and now we'll do this one.
Well, I liked it in there.
Oh, now it goes in.
That's fine.
And then we spin it. Spin. That was step 2. Step 3, insert the gas lift and plastic cover. It has gas. Now, yes, I do pass gas when sitting in the chair.
The garlic mash? Yeah.
We all do, but I didn't know it was a gas lift. I mean, the gas lift is on, and now we put on the cover. Yay. Fix the armrest to the base of the seat. I didn't know that it was broke. All right, well, we'll fix it. Really glad it's a standard and not an automatic. Okay, so we need B1, L1, L2, and G. I got one of the ones, or one of the L's. Now we need to go find B1, which is over here. B1 in the bay.
It doesn't taste like a bottle of ketchup. No, it does not.
Okay, so we need 4 G's. So we turn the page and we'll look at these, and it's G is M8 star 25 times 16. So, sent it wrapped in Christmas ribbon.
How much did you
Check it out. Things is they sent me a
What did I
tool.
do with my funnel?
I don't gotta go to Lowe's or buy any tools. It comes with a Phillips screwdriver and a hexagon thing for free. I think it was free. I didn't take charge for it. Fix the control unit to the base of the seat. Wow. It has a control unit. Notice the handle is on the right side. Well, I'd hate to put it on the wrong side. Though you really don't need to know that because it says point that to the front, right? Yep. I'm told we don't need a pilot's license to use this chair. No. The control unit is on. Insert the gas lift into the control unit. Well, probably comes up now. Seven, fix the angle adjuster B2 onto the side of the seat. I think this is the angle adjuster. Okay, so that one says it bolts to that part, that diagram says it bolts to that part, and that diagram says it bolts to the other part. Which part? It says put it on the left side of the chair, but it's really supposed to go on the right side of the chair. I do know my left from my right, and I'm not completely, but like I told my granddaughter the other day, right, R, right, red. Hey. Let me get it. And wherever where this came from. Left is right and right is left. Because the picture says go on the right, but the words say go on the left. So, finally on step 12, use the Allen key to make the screws align in the holes correctly and screw them in tightly. Really? Now it tells us how to sit in the chair. Now to sit in the chair properly, like the instructions say. Butt goes down. It's a really good thing that we have these warnings because someone could get seriously hurt.